Okay, so once again, good morning again, everyone. So I'm here to present the product prototype of coconut water with natural fruit flavor. So the product description: the fresh and natural fruit drink is refreshing beverages made from natural fruit juice. Such flavors are the watermelon, lemon, orange, and pineapple. So it is designed to offer light, hydrating, and health alternatives from sugary drinks without relying on artificial flavors and preservatives. So the product highlight the natural sweetness and electrolytes found in coconut water, paired with a vibrant taste of real fruit extract, making it ideal for customers who want clean and wholesome drinks. So product design innovation. So the product focuses on bringing together the light of tropical profile of coconut water with familiar fruit flavors to create something unique but still easy to appreciate. Each flavor is developed to be bright, balanced, and naturally sweet, giving the complement this concept to simple and modern visuals with fruit-inspired colors and transparent elements that highlights the product's natural quality. So this is the product, Kuya Coco Buko flavors. And Kuya Coco Buko flavors comes right now four different flavors. The watermelon, the lemon, the pineapple, and the orange. So maybe sunod-sunod, pwede mo siya kung sa pwede siya may mga blend or depende sa mga own preference niyo ba? No, sige gusto ka mag-present ng iba flavor. No, pwede mo ka dragon fruit flavor. So it depends on your personal preference. Pwede na siya. Pero as of now, mga sa siya ang product na pwede i-produce may Kuya Coco Buko flavors. So in processing of this product, first is the raw material procurement. So purchasing fruits and fresh coconuts in the market and sourcing some reliable local suppliers. Next is the pre-processing and cleaning. So all fruits are washed thoroughly under clean rainwater. Pineapple and orange are peeled. Lemon is sliced with seeds removed, and watermelon is cut into chunks. And coconut waters are opened, and the coconut water is collected and strained to remove other impurities or any impurities. Next is the extraction. So to extract, we use a juicer to extract the juice of the fruits. And juice is immediately strained to remove excess pulp and to ensure smooth consistency. And the coconut water is kept chilled to maintain its freshness. So in mixing, fresh fruit juice blended with pure coconut water at predetermined ratios. So the ratios that I use in creating this product is 200 ml natural fruit extract and 800 ml coconut water to produce a total of 1 liter. And later on, explain na siya. And natural sweeteners or sugar may be added depending on the desire of sweetness. So, kasi mag-ask mo, ano na may sugar, wala mo kay upan. So, again, it depends on your own preference. If gusto niyo mo sweet po siya, pwede mo ito mag-add og sugar. So, dili po siya in but it is optional. So, the mixture is adjust for acidity, sweetness, and flavor balance. So, in terms of sa lemon, it's not advisable to have too much acidity or daghan kayo ang lemon juice. So, in terms of lemon juice, siya na kay I only use 15 ml every 1 liter. Ano siya? Or 15 to 20 ml per 1 liter. sealed with leads or heat-sealed film to ensure safety and prevent from contamination. So, sustainability and environmental impact. So, sustainability is also a key part of the product's identity. The ingredients can be sourced from our local coconut farmers, and the fruits is also purchased from our local farmers. It also helps the agricultural communities while reducing the transport emission, and coconut byproducts can be repurposed into charcoal, and crafts, and even compost, while fruit trimmings may be reused as natural fertilizer, making the overall process more environmentally responsible. So, next is the technical feasibility and functionality. The fresh and natural coconut water fruit drink is technically feasible because it uses simple and reliable methods that can be reproduced consistently. Since ang process sa product is very simple, feasible din siya o functional din siya. Kaya after mo ma-extract ang coconut water, kung na siya ma-filter, after mo ma-extract ang fruit juice, ikaw na din mo siya i-mix, and that's it. So that's why it is really feasible and functional. So in terms of packaging and description, as you can see, nasa lahi siya of color. It is because of the real fruit extract. And also it could be, it can identify what product it is or what flavor infused it is. So, like this, watermelon, pineapple, the clear one is lemon, and the orange one is orange. And the cost analysis and efficiency, also, the coconut water is 25 pesos per liter. And in this process, I use 4 liters. And watermelon is 25 pesos. And orange is 10 pesos. Lemon is 20 pesos. Pineapple is 50 pesos per kilogram. And I only use a half a kilo. And cups is 2 pesos per piece. And ice cubes 20 pesos per pack. So, a total of 260 pesos. So, since lain-lain siya o product, so separate ko na ko niya siya o pag-compute. Every product, total lang siya o around 14 pesos per cup, ang cost per cup. And pwede na ito siya ibaligya o 25 to 35 pesos, depende sa ounce. This one is 12 ounce. So, pag mag-upgrade ng 16 ounce, pwede ito siya ibaligya o 35 pesos. So, we have a 100% markup price or roughly 90 to 100%. So, about the sensory evaluation, I've surveyed at least 25 person na nag-participate sa all sensory evaluation. And in terms of appearance, most of them like the appearance of the watermelon and the pineapple. And the least is the orange. And in terms of aroma, the pineapple has a great part, no? Siya ang pinakataas yun o rating. And in terms of flavor, since pineapple is strong and nasa na aroma ba, mo siya ang pinakataas po. And even po sa mouthfeel, daytime, almost like the kasya ng pineapple. Next is lemon. And the overall acceptability, although pineapple has is a lot of area na taas siya, pero mas napili siya cubes, process na nagtanan. So, all process, can be ensured din ang cleanliness and safety sa mga consumers. So, in overall, the fruit-infused coconut water beverage is a value-added drink. Now, since ang pinaka-common magiging na product sa coconut water is ganun yung ginasagulang gatas or di kaya plain coconut water lang, ano siya ang mostly common na baligya dito sa kuha. And right now, we think of a product that can help or create or innovate something new that is appealing and even healthier drink para sa mga consumers. So the product aims to reduce post-harvest losses, create new market opportunities for the farmers, and provide a versatile, appealing, and suitable drink for a wide range of consumers. Kaya since ang kanina product is pwede siya sa tanan, pwede siya sa bata, pwede siya sa patanon, pwede siya sa nagtrabaho, sa busy na tao, pwede sa tigulang. Anyone can purchase and even drink this product. So, all in all, the coconut water fruit infused product is it represents an innovative approach to enhancing the economic value of coconut and fruit production through a modern and health-oriented beverages. So, that will be all. Thank you. May questions? Sige.
Sa to, ano, yung mga costing?
Sa cost.
Wala naman ang pagpaan labor o utilities na expense na mga tayo
Actually, station isa ka-50. Nasa sa market assessment. Bro, siya, ako yung representative brothers yan. So, this one is the kwanja sa disperse sa prices and cost per cup. So, for every 1 liter, we can create 5 cups of Kuya Kuko flavors. Kaya, magbutang naman every cup of 100 ml and butang na ice. Pero, ang idea dito so para mas maging siya, ice na gamitin or ice cube na buhaton is made from coconut water, gano'n siya. Pero, as of now, kung wala pa man po, so, ice cubes na sa ta. So, in costing, 25 pesos para sa watermelon, 20 pesos, sa buko juice, 25 pesos, 20 pesos para sa watermelon, no? Water na. And 10 pesos for cups, and 10 pesos na isang labor, electricity, and all, and 5 pesos isang cups. I mean, 10 pesos ang cups, 5 pesos lang sa labor, electricity, and kay. Usually, ang gamitan ng mga yun is katong ng juicer. Katong naman siya. Ay, dali naman po na paggamit sila kay within seconds, dali naman siya na-extract yun. No? Kay, isa gini ka-batch sa watermelon, kaya na-extract na siya mga 3 seconds or 2 seconds lang. Yan na siya. So, dili kayo siya dako o kaon sa kuryente. So that's why sa labor cost siya from 1 kg. So 5 pesos ang labor cost. So a total of 70 pesos per batch, per 1 liter sa watermelon alone. So if we divide it into 5 cups, since 5 cups ang ma-create niya, so 14 pesos per cup ang cost na to sa watermelon. And even sa lemon, 30 pesos. Sa pineapple, 14 pesos. And sa orange flavor is 15 pesos. Kaya ang orange, kaya gamay na mo ang quantity sa iyang mag-produce. So that's why dagdagan o oranges nga ito ang kailangan to to meet the level of ratios na itong gamiton. Kung ano siya, kataas siya, of course naman. Pero dili kita nag-differ sa ilaha. So, we can have a markup of 10 pesos to 15 pesos per cup. So, mga siya ang costing.
Ay, gano'n para yung document na o kanang design.
Oh. Ano ka na brand name o kana design? Okay, so kana sa upan kay kung makita ninyo ang bukong na nagulit siya o juice. Kana juice nga gigulitan kay mo na siya flavored coconut water. Kaya ano kuya ko no kay mostly ginatawag ko kuya ko sa naman niya ang product is coconut. So ako na siya merge. No, that's why it comes up into kuya ko. Pero in the long run siguro pwede siya i-change. Mo na siya kuya ko yun. No kaya para ang identity sa brand is ilan din ako agad. So buko flavors kaya define siya sa different fruit flavors. Ano siya? Yan, ang tagline no, pure coco, pure fruit, pure you. Siya. Okay, sige, one more question. Sige, so no more questions. Thank you everyone for